The makerspace is really important because it creates a new mindset about learning. It's both about the physical space, but even more importantly about the mental idea of what maker thinking implies. One of the things I really like about maker thinking is that it's not about the final product, it's about the journey along the path to the final product. In maker thinking, there are no failures. There's just prototypes that haven't been successful yet.
I think that makerspace is a new idea and I really like it.
I love makerspace because there are just all these things you can do, and you can always make improvements or change your design, and there's really no limits in what you can make and do.
Well, when a teacher tells you how to do things, what to do, it's more of a sit and follow these exact rules. But when you're doing it with your hands, it's really your own style. You get to do what you want.
The opportunity of a makerspace really manifests itself as we think about the underutilized spaces on school campuses. There are a lot of ways we use space that may not be as relevant or as supportive of student learning needs.
This used to be a drab computer room with brown walls and nothing colorful, nothing exciting. So now kids can come in here and use all the resources in the room to create and to think outside of the box and to come up with things that we don't even know exist right now. Having the kids have the opportunity to come in and just utilize everything in this room is really powerful and important, and we've seen that in kids that kind of have come out of their shell in this room.
I really like just being able to build with physical things instead of just like learning about how you can do that. I really like the experience of actually doing that.
Our biggest problem with this space since we've had it 3 months now, is that the students and the teachers want to use it more than the space physically can handle. If we could have the space open 24 hours a day, we'd probably have students in here at 3 a.m.
I think that choosing your own discovery method is the best part of a makerspace lab. Letting them have the option of where they sit and what they build and what they use to build it is like the best part about a makerspace lab.
The best part of being a teacher is not knowing what's going to happen by the end of a class period. If we're in the makerspace for 45 minutes, somebody's going to create something I never would have thought of, I never would have taught them what to build, and that is the true joy of being a teacher.